How to get a Mercury insurance estimate. Mercury Insurance offers quick and affordable estimates for auto and home insurance, primarily in California, Texas, and other select states. Whether you're shopping for a new policy or comparing rates, obtaining a Mercury insurance estimate online or through an agent is simple. Below is a step-by-step guide to getting a Mercury insurance estimate. 1. Visit the Mercury Insurance website. Go to Mercury Insurance's official website to start your quote. Choose the type of insurance you need: auto, home, renters, or condo. 2. Enter your personal and vehicle information. Provide your name, address, and date of birth. For auto insurance, enter vehicle make, model, year, and primary use. Some quotes may require your driver's license number. 3. Customize your coverage. Select the liability limits, deductibles, and optional coverages that fit your needs. Mercury offers collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist coverage options. Consider adding rental reimbursement or roadside assistance if needed. Check for discounts. Mercury Insurance offers discounts for good drivers, bundling auto and home, multi-car policies, and paperless billing. Ask about affinity discounts if you're part of certain organizations or employers. 5. Compare your estimated premium. Mercury will provide an estimated monthly and annual premium based on your details. Compare different coverage options to see how they affect the final price. If the price is higher than expected, adjust deductibles or coverage limits to lower the costs. 6. Finalize and purchase your policy. Once satisfied with your estimate, complete the purchase online or speak with a Mercury agent. Some policies may require additional verification before approval. 7th, best fit for Mercury insurance estimates. Great for budget-conscious drivers looking for an affordable auto insurance option. Best for California, Texas, and Florida residents seeking local expertise. Not ideal for those wanting extensive digital policy management tools. Getting a Mercury insurance estimate is fast and easy, allowing you to compare coverage options and pricing before committing. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below. Down.